Chainsaws powered by gas, electricity, or batteries convert engine power into chain rotation for cutting wood. Gas chainsaws offer power and versatility, while electric chainsaws are quieter and cleaner. Cordless chainsaws are portable but have limited battery life. The Sunshine Wireless Electric Power Saw is a cordless chainsaw perfect for various outdoor tasks. Its rechargeable battery offers freedom from power cords, while its powerful motor ensures efficient cutting through wood and trees. Designed with safety in mind, it features a safety lock-off switch and chain brake. Whether you're pruning trees, cutting firewood, or tackling general woodworking projects, this compact and lightweight saw is a reliable and convenient tool. The Leiter GT P1835 is a popular electric chainsaw known for its good performance and affordability. It boasts a powerful 1800-watt motor and a 35-centimeter bar length, making it suitable for various cutting tasks. The automatic chain lubrication system ensures smooth operation, while safety features like a chain brake enhance user protection. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and maneuver, making it a great choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional landscapers. Yato offers a range of electric chainsaws suitable for various tasks, from pruning small branches to cutting larger logs. They feature automatic chain lubrication and safety features like chain brakes. The STIHL MS500i is a groundbreaking chainsaw that has revolutionized the industry. It boasts the world's first electronically controlled fuel injection system, delivering unmatched power and efficiency. This innovative technology ensures consistent performance, regardless of altitude or temperature variations, making it ideal for demanding professional use. The MS500i's lightweight design and rapid acceleration make it a joy to handle, while its durable construction guarantees long-lasting reliability. User-friendly features like ElastoStart reduce vibration and starting effort, enhancing the overall cutting experience. Whether you're a forestry professional, a tree service expert, or simply a homeowner tackling large-scale projects, the STIHL MS500i is a powerful tool that will elevate your cutting capabilities. Total offers a robust range of gasoline-powered chainsaws, each designed to deliver exceptional performance and durability. These powerful tools, equipped with reliable engines, are capable of tackling a variety of cutting tasks, from pruning delicate branches to felling large trees. Built to withstand the rigors of demanding work, Total chainsaws feature sturdy construction and ergonomic designs that prioritize user comfort and safety. With easy start mechanisms and efficient fuel systems, these chainsaws minimize user effort and maximize productivity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, Total's gasoline chainsaws provide the power, precision, and reliability needed to complete any cutting project with ease. The STIHL MS261C is a powerful and efficient chainsaw designed for demanding professional use. It boasts a 50.2cc engine that delivers exceptional cutting performance, making it ideal for felling trees, limbing, and other heavy-duty tasks. This chainsaw is equipped with STIHL's M-Tronic engine management system, which automatically adjusts the engine's performance to optimize fuel consumption and power output. This technology ensures consistent performance in various conditions, from cold mornings to hot afternoons. The MS261C also features a host of other innovative features, including ElastoStart, which reduces starting effort, and an HD2 filter system, which provides long-lasting air filtration. With its lightweight design and ergonomic handle, this chainsaw is comfortable to use for extended periods. Whether you're a professional arborist or a serious homeowner, the STIHL MS261C is a reliable and powerful tool that will help you get the job done efficiently and effectively. The STIHL 051AV is a powerful chainsaw built for professional use, especially in demanding forestry tasks. With an 88cc engine and a 36-inch bar, it's designed to handle large trees and heavy cutting. The Duramatic chain is specifically engineered for reduced vibration, easy sharpening, and efficient cutting. This chainsaw requires experienced operators and proper safety gear due to its power and potential hazards. The STIHL 031AV is a classic chainsaw that has earned a reputation for its reliability and performance. While it may be an older model, it still holds its own in various cutting tasks, particularly those involving firewood and general property maintenance. Equipped with a 48cc engine, it provides sufficient power to tackle a range of jobs, from limbing small trees to cutting firewood. It's important to remember that the 031AV is not designed for heavy-duty, professional forestry work. It's best suited for occasional use and less demanding applications. To ensure optimal performance and safety, it's crucial to maintain the chainsaw properly, including regular sharpening of the chain and cleaning of the air filter. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as protective eyewear, hearing protection, gloves, and sturdy footwear, while operating the chainsaw. The Husqvarna HE3S is a high-performance chainsaw chain designed for fast and efficient cutting. It's particularly well suited for cutting softwoods, where it excels in speed and smoothness. The H83S features a unique tooth design that reduces vibration, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. It's important to note that this chain is best suited for clean wood and may dull quickly in abrasive conditions. Proper maintenance, including regular sharpening, is crucial to maintain its cutting performance. While it can be challenging to hand file this chain, many users opt for a chisel grinder to ensure optimal sharpness. Echo is a renowned brand in the power equipment industry, known for producing high-quality and durable chainsaws. Their range of chainsaws caters to both professional and DI users, offering a variety of models suitable for different needs. Echo chainsaws are characterized by their powerful engines, efficient cutting performance, and innovative features. Many models come equipped with advanced technologies, like vibration reduction systems, automatic oilers, and easy start mechanisms. These features enhance user comfort, reduce fatigue, and improve overall usability. Whether you're a professional arborist or a homeowner looking to tackle occasional cutting tasks, Echo has a chainsaw that can meet your requirements. Their emphasis on durability, performance, and user-friendliness makes them a popular choice among chainsaw enthusiasts. The Echo CS4310SX is a robust chainsaw built for professionals and serious diers. Its 43cc engine delivers ample power, while features like side-access air filter, tool-less chain tensioning, and vibration reduction enhance user comfort and ease of maintenance. This chainsaw is versatile, capable of handling various tasks from tree felling to firewood cutting. Its power demands respect, and users should always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear. The tool-less chain tensioning system enables quick and convenient adjustments, while the vibration reduction system minimizes user fatigue during extended use. The Pharmatech 880 Pharmatech 36 is a high-performance replacement bar and chain combo designed for demanding cutting tasks. Compatible with various STIHL chainsaw models, this combo offers a powerful cutting solution. With a 36-inch bar and full chisel chain, it excels in cutting through thick wood and heavy timber. It's crucial to remember that this is a replacement part, requiring a compatible chainsaw powerhead to function. Safety should always be prioritized when using this combo, including wearing appropriate protective gear and handling the chainsaw with care. The STIHL MS400 is a powerful and efficient chainsaw designed for professional forestry and tree care. Its 66cc engine, equipped with a lightweight magnesium piston, delivers exceptional power and torque. The M-Tronic engine technology ensures optimal performance and fuel efficiency, while the HD2 air filter requires less maintenance. The ElastoStart system enables easy starting, and the 2-mix engine reduces emissions and fuel consumption. With its ergonomic design and impressive power, the MS400 is capable of handling demanding cutting tasks, making it a reliable tool for professionals.